Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Clear AI. You see, Clear AI is a powerful sales intelligence and data enrichment platform that is loaded for its extensive data sources and AI-driven personalization that significantly automates and enhances sales outreach. Its wide range of integrations and workflow automation capabilities are also frequently highlighted as major pros. Streamline prospective effort. Users also praise the supportive community. However, the platform comes with a steep learning curve which can be overwhelming for first-time users, and the pricing structure, particularly the credit system and cost of higher plans, can become expensive, especially for smaller teams or high-volume users. Additionally, the accuracy of the data is dependent on the external sources Clay pulls from. So it's a really good platform. You can give it a try as a quick review of it, and you can give it a try to see how it goes. Just go to clay.com to turn your growth ideas into reality today. You can start a 40-day trial, pro trial, no credit card required.